And just like that,
I'm now a cartoon. Even my voice sounds different.
To create the cartoon effect, I want to select the part of the video where I'm going to start the cartoon. So right here is where I want to start it. So I'm going to click on this video clip, hit Command B to blade it, hold down Option, and drag the clip above itself to copy and paste. And now I'll click on this button right here and click Add Magnetic Mask. You just click on the person. I hold down Option to get the plus to a minus, and then I usually click around the person a few times just to help the mask. You probably don't need to because it does such a good job. And then when you click on Analyze, it just goes right through. So now let's go to Effects to click on the comic look. So I'm going to go down to Comic Looks. And if you just kind of highlight through some of these, you can see what they look like. And you can always just use one and then use a different one if you end up not liking it. Actually, I really like this one a lot. And the settings over here, you can just mess with them to get however you want. So like here, adds more ink edges or takes them away. You can also change color to gray or black and white. Now when it's black and white, you can actually just go change these colors. This is funny because it does make it look a lot like a drawing. Or you go back to color. So once you have the comic look, the next thing that you want to do is go over to masks and use draw mask. So just choose a random spot on the person and just draw like a circle or triangle or anything that's just like a small little start to the mask. And now I'm going to go to the feather, hit keyframe, and then same with the transforms. I'm going to keyframe scale, rotation, position, and then same with control points. And now hit space bar for like 1 second. And now you just drag the okay, so you can double click on another spot to add another one. And so you just kind of move this over so that way it looks like it did it over time. And then I also crank up the feather. Now the other thing that I did is I added a cartoon sound. So if you go right here to the audio, hit Command B, and then I usually just drag this audio above it and fade in, or fade out, and then fade the bottom one in. Now when you go down to audio, you can go to voice, cartoon animals. So you got 3 different presets: chipmunk, squirrel, and mouse. Select chipmunk, and then you can choose the amount down or up.
I'm now a cartoon.
Let's go down to 9.
I'm now a cartoon. I'm now a cartoon. Even my voice sounds different.
Cool, I feel like that's a good amount. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing. I'm getting closer and closer to 1,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate the support, and thank you for watching.